Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download the Indeed app on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, you'll be viewing the Indeed website in your browser. This is where we'll transform the web version into a dedicated desktop application that functions just like a native app on your computer. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your browser's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the side, showing you additional options related to sharing and saving web pages. In this expanded menu, look for and click on the option labeled Install Page as App. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to create a standalone application from any website, giving you quick access without having to open your browser and navigate to the site every time. After clicking that option, a new dialog box will pop up on your screen. Here you'll have the opportunity to customize the name of your app. You can either input a custom name that you prefer, or you can simply leave the default name that's already there, which will typically be something like Indeed or Indeed Jobs. This name is what you'll see when you launch the app from your desktop or start menu, so choose something that makes sense to you. Once you've decided on the name, click the Install button to proceed. Your browser will now create a dedicated application shortcut for Indeed. This process only takes a moment, and once it's complete, you'll have a standalone Indeed app that opens in its own window, separate from your regular browser tabs. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Indeed app on your PC, making it much easier to search for jobs and manage your applications without cluttering your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.